Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to change out a standard outlet to a more high-end USB outlet. This outlet will allow you to charge your cell phone, your tablet, or any other device that takes a USB cord. So let's get started and I'll show you how to do it. Okay guys, first off, let's make sure your power's off. I know this receptacle is downline of a GFI, so all I had to do is trip the GFI, which is a couple of receptacles away. Next, we'll take the one screw that's holding the cover on, take that out. Now we have two screws here that we need to remove. Maybe. There we go. One. And two. And you'll see black wire, which is your power, your hot wire. You'll see white wire over on this side, which is your neutral, and your bare wire, which is your ground. So we'll remove these and get this taken off. Goes your ground. Your neutral, which is your white, and now your hot. So that receptacle has now been removed. Now we can take our new USB charging receptacle, and if you look on the side, there's a silver wire, a green wire, and a brass gold looking wire. If you look on the back, it says hot for this side, which is your black, white for this side, which is your neutral on your silver wire, and of course your ground goes right here. So let's get those installed. Take this, remove that hook on the ground. Slide that, slide your ground right underneath that tab on the green wire, or on the green screw. Tighten it down. Like so. And we'll come over here to our neutral. Straighten out this. Maybe. Back in here, close your hook on your wire. Tighten it down. And come over here to the brass colored screw here and install the black wire. Now if you notice the way that to install the hook, you want to install it where when you tighten up this screw, that the hook goes with the clockwise motion of the screw and tightens up. If you were to put the screw in from the top and feed it this way, and you tighten the screw out, the motion of the screw would actually kick the wire out, push it out as it's getting tight. So you always have to remember to put the hook in so that when it tightens up, this screw won't kick the wire out. Let me get this in. let's close up that hook. And there you go. Black, white on the silver, and then of course the green is your bare wire. Now all we have to do is reassemble and get all this wire back in the box, which will just be like this. Get it started. Let's come over here and get the other one started. There you go. Installed. Now we'll put the plate cover back on. We had to get a new plate cover due to the Decora style receptacle. So we'll get this screwed in with 2 screws with this one. There you go. And there you have it, guys. Not too hard. Anybody can get this one done. And now I've got options to put my USB cords here and still have my receptacles here. So thank you for watching. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, comment, or subscribe. And as always, be safe out there.